Welcome to the new video. In this video we will see how to check the battery life in a Windows laptop. Let's start. First of all, open the command prompt. Run a command powercfg/battery report. You will get one path. Copy the path and open in browser. You can also go to the path and open the HTML file. Here you can see complete information of your laptop including battery history, battery capacity and many more. You can also analyze how your battery life is decreasing. Let's calculate battery life percentage. Open calculator and use this formula. You can see my battery life is only 19%. I hope your laptop battery life is more than mine. Don't forget to write your battery life in comments section. Thank you for watching.